What's up, guys? This is Jimmy, also known as Jumanji 1776. I'm a moderator at Option Goats Trading LLC. Yes, we are a real LLC out of the state of Wisconsin. All four owners, one from Wisconsin, one from Indiana, one from Utah, and then one from California. So this is going to be the swing recap for the week of September 20th. Right now, it is 7:25. We have 5 minutes till market open. If you go to our website, you'll see, if you go down and scroll down a little bit here, if you hit this link right here that says join free, it'll take you to the Discord. If you go to OG Prime membership, what you're basically getting, what the main difference between these two is, the OG Flow bot. So what do I mean when I say that? So like when I'm looking at the Discord, here's our Discord. If I just have free chat, this is all I can see. This is all I can see. Everything else, you can see Prime Chat, you just can't talk in it. But this is all you can see. Now, if you have the OG Prime membership, you get all of these channels right here. Okay? All of these channels. Tradedix, probably the best bot I've ever experienced. Trading has become fun now. Trading was already fun before when I first started, learning like 12, 13 years ago. It's been fun ever since, but this bot makes it a lot more fun. I'm not going to go over all the bots. If you want to see how the other signals work, I'm only going to go over one signal. It's the brand new one that they just brought out last week. And it's called the stocks breakout bot. So what it does is that, let's say I'm looking at this, right? I wonder, no, it's not going to take me there. If I click on this, if I look at this, this is potential, let's look at this. Potential AYX breakout on the hourly chart. It gives you momentum, gives you relative volume, very important. It tells you that the resistance level is 74.3, okay? 74.3, okay? This spits out signals all day. All day. And it gives you the chart, so you can be like, is it worth looking in my trading view to see if it's even worth looking at, right? So instead of me having to open up my trading view, I can just do this. I can look at this. Let's say Snap is going to have a breakout, right? Snap is going to have a breakout, and I go to Prime Chat and I check out our chart on Snap. Okay. Wow, it actually did break out. Wow. Let's see. Oh, I can't delete that, but that's okay. So like, let's say I go here and then I want to use the TR algo flow on Snap. Okay, it's saying that it's going to be going down soon, basically, which I'd agree with. Yeah, I mean, it's really broken out over here. To think that it's going to keep going, do I think it's going to retrace back to 85 maybe? Probably, I think so. Yeah, absolutely. Algo flow thinks it's going to keep going. It's going to start going down soon, which, yeah, I think it might. This might actually be a play. Anyways, that's the that's the signal that the stocks breakout bot, and it gives you gives you the chart and everything. I mean, look at that. I'm not going to go over the bullseye bot. I mean, the bullseye bot's really cool. The Peter flow, all the other bots are really, really cool. But the new bot that they just rolled out last week on the stocks breakout bot gives you the resistance level, tells you the relative volume, tells you the momentum. That's all you ever need if you want to play a breakout. And it plays breakdowns when it thinks it's going to go back down. Now that is pretty freaking cool too. Okay. Alrighty, so let's check it out. So last week we had our FSLR play. We got out with it with not 100%. I think it was more like 65, 60%. Nas killing it as usual on his SPX trades. Coming out green, 135 days on the $135 on the day, and then Ghost making a good amount of money on the spreads on Amazon. Good job there, Ghost. But let's not forget this dude, AES, killing it, killing it. On the 20th, he called out Lucid. Actually, no. Lucid, here we go. Lucid, 924, the 24 call. On the 20th, 15% up, 30%, 80%, 120, 180, 240. They're worth 400 now. And they went in on AMD, came about 25%. That was freaking awesome, AES. AES is crushing it. Crushing it. Let's see if I can put, you are crushing it. Is at AES. At AES. Awesome. You'll be in the running for the monthly winner, my man. Faux show. Faux show. Okay, so let's look at some of the plays that we had this past week. So I went long on, or last week. Yeah, last week. So let's look at SPY. I did open up a hedge. I'm not going to go over this one because it's not going to hit, but this is kind of what I was thinking. Nothing too crazy. So let's go over SPY. Market just opened like a minute ago. We have the, yeah, they're like the 300 puts. They're like way down. We're talking like COVID times. COVID times. Let's see if I can pull it up. Here we go. Talking a retracement to this red line right here within like a month. But again, this thing cost $7 each. Max profit was like $1,000. Again, I spent $14 on it. Didn't do much last week just because where the market is right now, we came down. So when we come down like this, does it make sense to short anything? Oh, wait, let me rephrase that. Does it make sense to short the SPY when it's down like this? Market's always green. Okay. Market's always green. If it comes down like this, should we be shorting call spreads? No. Should you hold any call spreads? Nah, no, unless you're shorting the VIX, right? And just FYI, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not licensed. If you need financial help, please contact your financial advisor. If it's down like this, we don't need to short calls. Right? If we're down like this, we need to be going long on something, right? We need to be going long on something. So we went long on X last week. We sold a put vertical spread last week on X. So let's pull up X. Here we go. Nice. It's popping back up. It needs to break out past that. Oh, look at that. As we watch it, we need it to break out right here. Anyways, the put spread calls for, let's do this. Calls for 22 and 22.50. So we're shorting 22, selling the 22.50, and it's for 11.5. So we have until, we have a good amount of time actually. 11.5 over here. Right, so it just needs to come back up. I think we caught it at a really good time on this thing. This is a very strong support down here. And I really like steel, really like this sector right now. So really like that play. We collected $28, max loss is $22, okay? And that's basically it for right now. You know, I usually have about 6 or 7, maybe 8 positions, but market came down, so exited my shorts, right? Took profits on all my shorts a couple weeks ago. Market now is down, so now I'm going long on stuff. Do I like to go long on stuff? No, because then I got to sell put spreads, not enough money, or I got to buy stuff. I don't want to buy stuff, right? I'd rather just short stuff, right? Market's down. I'm just going to be waiting at this point. So let's pull up SPY. Market's gone a little red again, right here. Okay, we're going to be watching this. It might consolidate. Honestly, it might just consolidate here. All right, it's October, or we're approaching October. So let's see here. I don't think there's anything else. Oh yeah, the FSLR was the play that we had last week. So let's check it out. Had I held it, I would have been able to collect full premium, but that's okay. So let's pull up the FSLR play. Okay. So we sold the 101, bought the 102 for call spread, sold it for 48 bucks, max loss was 52. We were able to come out and collect 25 bucks that premium, so 50% premium. Had we held, we'd be able to collect the full premium, but you know what? I'm not gonna be afraid to take profits, especially with this volatile market. So I've been collecting and taking profits with anything that turns green at this point. Just because you have no idea what tomorrow's going to bring. I have no idea if the market is going to keep going or not. Like I said, it's getting towards the end of the year, so we might be consolidating here, but best case scenario is that we pop back above the 200 SMA and keep going. So I was really hoping for 449 or 450 this week, but looking at SPY, we might actually end up just consolidating. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, bottom right of your screen. If you want to check out any of our other weekly swing recaps, you can check them out here. If you have questions on like, hey Jim, I'm not sure if I want to join yet because I don't know how to use a bot. I don't know how to do spreads. Well, la-di-da. Here is a credit spread crash course right over here. And if you go way back in the day, you can find the debit spread crash course. There's also a video I've made on the SPY, 50 and the 200 SMA, and then all of our other swing recaps. So if you have any questions, feel free to message me. You can go to our website, go all the way to the bottom, fill this out, put your email, and then send a message, or you can go to the link, join free, find me, Jumanji 177076, 17707076, Jumanji 1776, and find me, DM me, ask me. I can get on a video call with you. We could start a conversation. Jim, I'm not sure where to start. I've only done penny stocks for 10 years. So be it. Whatever you want to do, ask me a question or not. It don't matter. Do keep in mind our monthly premium to use the OG Prime membership, which enables you to use the bot, is only $60 per month unless you use the code SPRING30, in which case you'll be able to get 30 per month for 3 months. All right, guys. All right. So keep that in mind. If you want to sign up, make sure you use this code SPRING30 and you'll get $30 per month for 3 months. So that's it for the swing recap, guys. It's not the end of the month yet. We changed it up for Hall of Fame. We're not going to have a weekly Hall of Fame every week. What we're going to do is we are going to have one monthly winner. So every week I will put a spotlight on some of the profits that we made from some of the members that we've had in the chat. And if somebody wins from the month of September, that is the person that is going to be nominated for the monthly winner. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe on the bottom right. Let's see what this week brings. Alrighty. Thank you guys and see you next week.